Everyone, this is Kay from Bayswater Library. Today I'd like to show you how to make these super cute Christmas trees. These are made by upcycling either an old book or magazine like this one here. It's a great activity for all ages, so I'll just pop these aside and we can get started. So I have a couple of very old gardening magazines here today that I'm going to show you how to do the tree with. This one has about 100 pages, but you can use a magazine of any type with any number of pages. I find around 100 pages gives you a nice fullness to the tree, but of course if you'd like to fold more pages, you'd make that even fuller. So first of all, we're going to just remove the cover. This one's easy because it's only got staples on it. And we're going to begin our folding. There's 3 folds per page, and they're all quite simple. I'll show you the first one. From the top right hand side, we're going to just bring that down in line with this edge to make a triangle like so. Not too tricky, huh? The next fold, we're going to go from the bottom across to the side, all the way across, so that this fold that we just made is lining up with this edge of the magazine. And we'll crease that down like so. And you've sort of made like a dart or a mince tie sort of look there. And the very last fold, I like to just run my fingers along the bottom there, which gives me like a fold line that I can just pop that in there, just tuck it under in line with the bottom of the magazine. And that's our first page done. I'll run through that again. Top right hand down to the center. This is now going into the gutter of the magazine. Make our triangle. Bottom right, bring that across all the way so that this fold that we just made is going to that center gutter there. Give it a nice crease. It'll give you a really nice crisp look to your tree at the end. You can use a bone folder or something like that if you like, but I find a finger is sufficient. And then the bottom, make our fold line and tuck it under like so. So these trees look great just as they are, and they sit really well on a tabletop. But otherwise you can use something like, if you'd like to recycle an old, this one's a shaving cream lid, I think, that could make a really nice pot for it to sit on. I don't know if you can see that, maybe covered in some ribbon or something. You can add glitter to your tree. I did that with this one, just using some spray adhesive and sprinkling glitter on it like snow. But you could use just a PVA glue or any type of glue, just brush that on and sprinkle it. You can add bows and baubles, lights, whatever you'd like to decorate your tree. That's half the fun. So that's another page done there. Do one more for you. And so the top right. Now, of course, if you're left-handed, you could work from the back of the book. Same process, but you'd be doing your top left to make that triangle. Oops, I really didn't do my fold there. There we are. I'll just show you what's happening here. So you can see, holding you, you can see our tree is starting to come together quite nicely. So I'll continue working on mine and you can work on yours, and I'll meet you back here near the end of your book. So how did you go with that? Here we are, right near the end of my magazine. Just got a couple of pages to go. I find the folding process actually really quite relaxing, and it's great for, like I say, all ages. It could be a really good family activity where you could all sort of fold a few pages each, and then it's a tree made by the family for the family. This last one here. and you could pop it on your table for Christmas Day or just throughout the festive season. There we are. I've noticed that I've popped a peg here. I just find as I'm going along, these pages when you're folding can sort of get in your way, so you can just peg them back there, and that's my last fold. So all we have to do now is join our tree. So yours should look something like this, and this is the spine part here. So we're just going to just get that in the camera, fold that around so it meets, and run some glue straight down the center here. You can use hot glue or again your PVA glue. Just run it down the center there to join those last couple of pages, and again with your peg, you should put a few together, peg it together, maybe another one on the bottom there, just until it dries, and then you'll have your whole tree finished like so. There you have it. Great activity, simple, fun, and very festive. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful, happy holiday season. Bye for now.